So our first step is
you get a plate. Paper plates are usually one are like a 1 cent, so it's more for the wealthy people, as
and
us.
then a phone.
A phone, and what you do.
And you're gonna need money.
And you're gonna need money. So this isn't for the poor. Poor people, get out!
You peasants.
You little peasants. So basically, you call your local sub shop.
Deli.
And
your local deli.
And you order it. Yes, I would like a grinder, ham and cheese. Yes. I would also love
turkey cheese.
I'd like chips with that too, and a root beer. Yeah, I want it delivered in like 2 seconds. Thank you. What do you mean you don't sell subs? Oh. Oh yeah. That's the other place. They put me on hold. Oh, they're here. They're here, guys. Yes, come in. Oh, yeah. Come in.
I was just washing up my hands.
And would you look at that?
How do you get those?
They delivered them.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, 1-800-SUBS, the best subs in town.
Yep.
All right.
And now.
So, you want to unwrap them first?
Then you unwrap. Or you can eat it with the wrapper on it.
Yeah, you can eat it with a wrapper on it.
Whatever you want.
It's probably not that good to you.
And then enjoy.
Enjoy. And if you want to be fancier, get yourself some root beer and a wine glass. Actually, it's a champagne glass.
You know what we could use with this?
What, Manny?
Some chips.
Woo!
Some chips.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Wait, remember those magical chip powers that I was telling you about?
Oh, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah!
We're not sponsored.
We're not sponsored.
Best air company ever.
Yeah. All right, so you want yourself some chips by
Salt and vinegar.
Salt and vinegar. And so you can put some on your plate if you want to be fancy, but I prefer to just...
Excuse me?
And enjoy.
There you have it.
Thank you for watching Cooking with Riley and Manny. Goodbye.